Now let's quickly talk about the Amazon Workdocs, and the easiest way to for you to know that what it is. It's an alternative to Google Drive or OneDrive or etc etc. So it's a secure content management system that can be accessed through API calls from external customer apps. And the cool thing about it is that you have a historical version that is kept for easy rollback, and in case you need to go back to your previous versions, you can create, store and synchronize and share files from any locations, and the content is encrypted at rest and in transit. You can also get approval workflows if you need to, reminders and notification. And if you use Workdocs Drive, you get a native web desktop application to synchronize your documents. So Workdocs sit in the middle here in the diagram. It's a secure and auditable content sharing system. It's going to give you end user and team file storage with example like both through the Workdocs Drive native desktop application. You get team content collaboration and workflows, as well as automation and flexibility. And so that's automation and flexibility have been written there, as you will be able to see that now. Automation and extensibility. Then we have replaced, let's see, network file shares. So the idea with the Workdog is just to have a good replacement for Google Drive and OneDrive. This can come up in one of the questions of the exam at a very high level. So I just wanted to give you an overview about the Workdocs. And that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, as of being an alternative, Workdocs being an alternative for the Google Drive. We have been all using Google Drive and OneDrive from very long. But the Workdocs, maybe some of the pricing would certainly apply directly from, even it would give you some of the free tier, but after some time it would pricing would apply on the Workdocs. So that's why maybe you will not be targeting this one as one of the potential document storing system. But as of the compliances of any organization would use it. Okay, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.